So good morning from Viratnagar. Hello, Salam, Namaste, it's me Balkrishna and welcome to my YouTube channel BK Blogs. And today I have the product that is SJ7 Star. SJ7 Star, and this is my new action camera for motovlogging. So in this video, first let me unbox this camera and then I'll show you what contents we will get, what accessories we will get, and thirdly I have tested with some outdoor and indoor footage for checking the video quality, and lastly I will give you my verdict why I like SJ7 Star and why it is best for motovlogging for beginners, and why this camera is good for everyone. So let's start the video. So first of all, let's talk about the box and branding. As you can see, SJcam logo is mentioned here with white and red color, same color scheme. They have designed the box black, red and white color, and here model number is mentioned SJ7 Star. Along with that guys, it can record up to 30 frame per seconds. Here it is mentioned, and a gyro stabilization is mentioned here. Your gyro helps you to stabilize your video. Just imagine if your video is a little shaky or handy, if your gyro is on, video can be better. It has a waterproof up to 30 meter, and it has 12 megapixel camera. It comes with a 2-inch touch screens with a Ambarella A12 chipset. And talking about other sides, what accessories is included in the box, everything is mentioned here with the help of diagram you can see here. And on the other side, the information about their app is mentioned here, which is available on App Store as well as in the Google Play Store. And by scratching, here you can see, by scratching you can check the product in their websites with the product key about genuinity, whether the product you have brought is genuine or not. And talking about the back side, here are the three languages mentioned about the product and specifications. So let's check out what we will get inside the box with the camera and its accessories. So firstly we can see here SJcam sticker with SJcam manual about the product, hardware, how to use it. Here are the some hardware products and the accessories, how to use it with all the accessories here included over here. You can check out here, everything it is provided here. So as you can see here, and let's have a look about the camera. Have a look on the camera. So this is the camera SJ7, and by default it comes in a waterproof casing. To open it, here you have to pull it. Just a second. With a slide and lift and pull it up. So here you can check it. And now opening the back door, you can have camera in your hand, and you can see here it is a productive layer in a lens. Let me remove it. And similarly we have a screen at the back, and let me remove it also. And so this is the camera overall. It has a premium look okay, looks silk. Yes, it looks silk and elegant. So let me keep this side. Okay, let me keep this side and let's check out what accessories are included in the box here. So this is the all accessories. Okay, let me open it once. So here, these all are the accessories here we can get. So these all are the accessories, okay, that we will get in SJ7 Star box. Whatever the accessories are needed for SJ7 Star, so everything are provided over here. And now let's talk about the camera. So as I told you, the build quality is top notch entirely. It is a metal body and it gives a premium look. The lens is okay, the lens here provided is 166 degree wide, and in front, okay, we will get setting buttons and power button. Yeah, the upper one is the power button and the lower one is the okay, setting button. And after that, here at the top we will get a record on and off button. And here we have speaker grill. Here it is provided the speaker grill, and on the side we got the slot for micro SD and USB. And guys, at the bottom we will get the battery assemble. We have to pull it with the sliding. The battery that we will get in SJ5 and SJ6, the battery is not compatible with SJ7. Here we get the battery of 1000 mAh. Okay, and because the slot in the SJ5 and SJ6 is in the, here you can see, here is in the next side in SJ5 and SJ6, whereas in SJ7, okay, it is in the next side. So guys, let's, here this is the camera and this is the battery that it is only assembled. Okay, this battery is only assembled in the SJ7. So guys, if you are planning to upgrade your camera, okay, after SJ7, okay, so you have to buy, okay, 2 or 3 spares battery externally, because the battery that you will get in SJ5 and SJ6, that battery is not compatible with SJ7. So guys, let me quickly start the camera here. We start the camera. So as we can see here, okay, by default it is in a video mode. Yes, it is in a video mode and 1080p resolution. Okay, here it is provided SF mode. Here SF stands for super fine and here W stands for wide angle. Here I can see audio symbol with a battery indicator, and at the bottom here it is mentioned, okay, date. Just a minute, here it is provided date. Okay, it is provided date, time, and memory space. And in my case, no memory card is insert. So if you insert memory card, it's gonna show you how long you can capture the video. Okay, and by pressing this button here, the settings button, by pressing this button you can check the settings with the touch screens. Here the touch screens, and the touch is good, response is good, and overall I like the product. So overall I like the product. And again guys, if you are planning to upgrade okay, your action camera for motovlogging, for capturing the videos, so in my view, in my perspectives, okay, the SJ7 Star is very good. I like this product. footage taken by SJ7 Star. And guys, if anybody asks me about the best blogging camera, then I'll go towards GoPro. But if anybody asks me, okay, the best budget camera, then I'll go towards the SJ7 Star. So guys, if you are trying to upgrade and if you are trying for the best action camera, then you can go towards SJ7 Star within the budget and range. Okay, but if you can buy GoPro, then it's a very big thing. Okay, so if you love my channel, if you think the video is informative, then please thumb up to the channel, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. So till then, bye bye, take care, see you on the next vlog. Stay cool, stay happy, safe ride. Boom.